trade secret. The next is human capital. You can keep data related to human capital as a activity against the who are involved in that particular activity, and then you can categorize it as per your need. So, such data always helps you in effective human resource management. So, you can keep that the activity and the students or professors who are involved in that, and then you can use best of that data. Then the next is a relational capital. This data is very useful in collaborations. It may include a vendor details, funding resources related data, then any collaborations if existing that data, alumni related data, and so on. So, all this data and you can add up in the relational capital. There might be the agreements, then trade secret, know-how, relational capital, human capital. So, other than copyright and patent, all this information you can put into the it is there in the IP audit framework, you can create a data accordingly.